Me. Good doesn't look too bad. Learn how to fuck type. What's goody, Kando? What's goody, my brother? Gold don't look too bad. Let me see test. Alright, perfect. We're good. Yeah, we'll do it quick, bro. I'm literally just gonna go over the 30-minute time frame. I'm not gonna do nothing too crazy for today. Damn, I should have held this straight, bro. Alright, so let's turn these on real quick. AU, ACAD, EA, ECAD, EU, GA, GCAD, GJ, GU. NU, US 30, USD CAD and ZAR, we're not trading those. Gold, Bitcoin, oil, and silver. But if you guys have any other questions about any other pairs, just let me know. I don't even want to do the session, bro. Everything already moved. Let's see, man. AU and ACAD already hit STP. EA already hit STP. ECAD is still consolidating. EU is still consolidating. GA is in PKI territory, but already hit STP. GCAD hasn't done anything. GJ hasn't done anything. GU looks like EU. Nope, hasn't done anything either. NU already started moving. US 30, we're still good. Gold, we had a gap at the beginning of the session. Already went down. Already hit STP, bro. What the fuck? Alright, guys. It looks like that's the session for the night. I'll see you guys fucking next week. Fucking silver already hit ADR. Jesus, dude. The fuck am I gonna do the session for? There's nothing to trade. We're already done. What in the freak of nature is going on, man? What's the point of doing the session, bro? Ain't nothing to trade. Shit's crazy. Yeah, the market's just opened a few hours ago. Like, the hell are we moving for? You know what I mean? Yo, Kendall, I still gotta do 120 push-ups, yo, before the night ends. Was good. You been bullshitting? I just got back home, bro. Where am I gonna do the push-ups at? Alright, dude, let's get this shit out of the way, bro. I'm only doing the 30-minute time frame. I'm not fucking wasting my time. I need a I need a goddamn calculator in front of me, man. 74 minus 33%. I'm also just gonna do this too, just to get this shit out of the way too. 49 pips, and we've already done 50 pips. ACAD. Shit is crazy, dude. We had 2 days of rise, but it's counter trend. Price gave us a day of no net instead. 70 minus 33% is about 46. Yeah, 46. Perfect. 46 pips. And we've already done 50 pips, so ACAD's already done for the day. We could turn that off. EA 139 minus 33% is what? 90 pips? 93 pips? 93 pips. For the day, we already did 101, so we could turn this shit off too. 2 days of drop going counter trend. Did not give us a third day drop because it's counter trend. We could turn that off. ECAD just moving sideways and we're in PKI territory, but I'm gonna do this anyway. 87 minus 33% is 58. 58 pips. We got 3 days of no net. Price gave us a little slight day of an uptrend move. EU gave us a Day of drop. Still in a little zone of consolidation on the 30-minute time frame. This could be a good one to keep an eye on for tomorrow. And then 99 minus 33% is 66. Then GA is in peak high territory, so I'm not even going to trade it. STP's already been hit as well. We're still moving counter trend, making lower lows and lower highs, and we had a day of no net. Price is just moving sideways today. GCAD, it's insane, dude. About to go sell some ass on the streets, bruh. Fuck it. No shame. GJ could be a good one as well. We just got the inducement of the high. Price also gave us another higher high, higher low point. On the 30-minute, didn't give us well, did it give us a valid break? Nope, it did not give us a valid break. Gave us an inducement. Let's mark up GJ real quick. $174 minus 33% is 116. 5-minute time frame, we have higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, change of character all the way to the bottom side. So we're looking for price to break and give us a break of structure of these lows. Let's take a look at the higher time frames real quick. Do we have any engulfing candles? Nothing on the 4. Come on. Come on, charts. Thank you. 1 hour time frame, no engulfing candle. 30-minute nothing. 15-minute nothing. 5-minute, nothing on the 5. Alright, cool. So looking for a 5-minute BOS to give. And then, you know, we could get a little mixy on the 1 minute too if we really want to, but 5-minute time frame was what we want to be on in GJ. We had low, lower high, higher high, change of character, higher low. Then price gave us a higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, and then gave us a lower low change of character, and then the lower low break of structure has been given already. Below the 800, 50 is below the 200. We have a 1-minute BOS that was given here. 1-minute break of structure. We'd be looking for price to give us a pullback. I don't like that we have this little push down here. Technically lower low, lower high, lower low, and price gave us a little inducement. So I'm not gonna mark this up just yet. We'll wait for this on the 5-minute. 5-minute is really what's gonna tell us the bigger story. Since GJ is a bigger pair, we could wait for that 5-minute break. It'll be a little bit more of a comfortable trade. GU gave us a day of drop and it's still moving counter trend. So at this moment, waiting to see, would love to see an inducement of these lows. This could be like a little small zone type 1 pattern been given on GU as well. This could be a good one. NZD USD is going to continue these downtrend pushes. This is good as well. Gave us a change of character and we're waiting for a valid break below these lows. So this could be a good pair for, again, the rest of the week. US 30. Wait it out, man. This is going to do the same shit it's been doing for the last couple of weeks, right? So we'll talk about the trade that we took today. Congratulations to those who took it. Great. A lot of patience was needed, right? But pretty much very similar to yesterday's trade, right? Yesterday we didn't take a trade on US 30, but there was a trade that was given at around 11:30 going into lunchtime, right? Going into 12 o'clock. Very similar trade, right? Type 1 pattern, inducement of the high. After the inducement of the high, we have that change of character, break of structure on the 1-minute time frame. We had a 1-minute engulfing candle straight into profit. Same thing today, right? Type 1 pattern, not really going to call it a type 1 pattern because price didn't really consolidate between Asia and London session the way that it did yesterday, right? But price did the exact same thing. Came back to the highs, gave us the inducement of the high, gave us that 1-minute change of character, break of structure, which we will see it here. right? We got that 1 minute change, 1 minute break. Beautiful. Gave us that 23.6, 38.2 retracement, straight into profit, right? Zero drawdown. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Um, so we'll be waiting for the same thing, man. This trade is the exact same trade that we took a couple weeks ago on the 21st. The same trade that we took today on the 21st is the exact same trade that we took on the 13th. Right, you guys can see it. Same thing, inducement of the high, change of character, break, right back down to the bottom. Went back to the bottom of the zone of consolidation, gave us an inducement of the low, change of character, break of structure, retest to continue back to the top. Same thing at the top, we have the inducement of the high, change of character, break of structure, right back down to the bottom. So just rinse, wash, repeat. You know, trading is the same shit every single day. You guys make it difficult for yourself. I don't know what to tell you. This shit is not rocket science. You follow your rules and you do what you gotta do. Gold already hit STP for the day, so we could turn that off. Bitcoin, I'm not trading it, so we could turn that off. Oil, fuck yourself. 2 days of rise. And then silver already fucking A, dude. I just want to trade metals. I just need to take one metal trade this year. It's been 2 months and I still haven't traded gold or silver. Please give me an opportunity. That's pretty much it, guys. Any questions, let me know. Anything you guys want me to talk about, let me know. What's good, Fox? Welcome to the stream, my brother. You've been bullshitting. Fuck you, Kendall. How about that? Um, any questions, guys, let me know. Any other pairs you guys want me to go over, let me know. Again, you know, today's session, pretty fucking quick. You know, I just wanted to go over the 30-minute time frame, update our chart, see if there's anything for tomorrow. As you guys could see, a lot of these pairs, they've already given us the move for the day. As soon as the market open, it's either just tanking or it's going fucking to the moon. So, for tomorrow, again, US 30, obviously, we'll keep an eye on that for the morning. That's a New York session trade to look at. All these other pairs, AU, you could see as soon as the market's open, just tanked. I'm not expecting anything to happen on AU. Again, we already hit 40. We've already done STP for the day, so AU, you know, we could turn that off. We know that's not going to do anything. EURUSD, really nothing to talk about. Price is just consolidating. EU, for the last 2 days, it's just been moving sideways, but at this point, what we're looking for is to see if price wants to give us a break of these lows. If it gives us a break of the low, we know we're going to continue back down. Or price is just going to give us an inducement of these lows to then go back to the top side. So we just got to be patient for that. GCAD, you know, again, there's really nothing here. We're at the top of the zone of consolidation. We're in a huge, huge, huge zone of consolidation on GCAD. So we're just being patient with this. We'll wait till the morning to see if there's anything that's decent. GJ, we're going to be waiting for price to give us a valid break of these lows on the 5-minute time frame. If we could get that break, we know we're going to go right back down to the bottom. GU, very similar to EU. We're waiting to see if price is going to give us an inducement of these lows to go back to the top side, or if price wants to give us the break of these lows to then continue back down to the bottom. So we just got to be patient. NZD USD, you can see again, as soon as the market's open, just flying down to the bottom. This is exactly what price needs to do. It gave us that 30-minute change, and we're waiting for that valid break to be given for us to look for those continuations back down to the bottom. US 30, just got to be patient. You know, I don't give my analysis on US 30 at night before the New York session. We just got to wait till the morning to see what happens. And then the last pair that hasn't hit ADR or STP just yet is oil. But again, very similar to the other pairs. As soon as the market's open, price is already flowing. So we just got to be patient. There's really nothing really to talk about. So, yo, Jumper, sorry, can't hear you. Could you raise your voice a little bit? My bad. Let me test this out on my side to see if it's my mic or shit. I mean, I hear myself crystal clear. My bad. Let me check my OBS settings. Yeah, my OBS settings are also all the way up, so I don't know. There's not much I could do, but I might have to just invest into a better mic for you guys. That's gonna be the next thing I buy. So I've had a lot of people tell me my mic is really low, but I have no clue. There's nothing I could do to everything. Like my OBS settings are all the way up. And there's really I don't know any other way to do that. So my bad. But Mr. MK, welcome to the stream, my brother. Any questions? Let me know. Any other specific pairs you guys want me to go over? Let me know. Anything you guys want me to explain? Anything before we get off for the night? Again, I don't trade Asia or London. I trade NYC session. This is the session where I just update my charts and we get ready for the morning trading session. So any questions, anything you guys want me to talk about, let me know. I'll give you guys another minute or two in the chat. Any specific pairs you guys want me to go over, let me know. If not, we'll be done with this session and we'll be back tomorrow morning for the live trading session, man. Anything at all, let me know. And then again, for those watching the recording, I appreciate you guys. If you have any questions while watching the recording, feel free to leave the questions in the comment section. Feel free to hit me up on Discord. If you guys haven't joined the Discord, I'll drop that in the chat right now. Give me 1 second. You can message me on Instagram, Twitter, wherever you guys feel the most comfortable. Any questions again, going once? I'll give you guys another minute in the chat. Any questions, anything at all? Anything you want me to explain, anything you want me to talk about, let me know. Any specific pairs you guys want me to go over and explain and talk about, let me know. Once again, if not, that's pretty much it for the night, and we'll be back again tomorrow morning for the live trading session. Yo, Kendo, you still here? Let me know. Um, Let me know when you start one-on-ones. We could start whenever. Just let me know whenever, whatever day you're available. Let me know, and then I'll give you a good time. Hit me up on Discord, and I'll give you a good time. Just let me know what day you're available, what days you're available, and I'll tell you a good time that I'm available for that day. And have a good night. Thank you, my brother. I appreciate you. Likewise, likewise. What are you doing, man? F1. Who's winning? Oh, the F1 movie. Lock in, man. We're gonna trade Asia session. Everything, yeah. GU, inducement of the low, GJ. Mon hold on. Monday till Thursday I'm free, and I could also do morning classes if you're okay with that. All right, perfect. Yeah, just hit me up on Discord, and then I'll send you the best day and the time that we could do it. I got you, my brother. All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Peace out.